Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Gyan Knowledge Hub. In this video, we'll discuss the solutions of the computer chapter class 7, Introduction to Python. So let us start the video, but before that, if you are new on the channel, please subscribe it. So we'll start with the back exercises first. Mind drill. First part is Python is a dash programming language. The correct option is high level language. Which of the following variable is incorrect? @ value. This is incorrect. Which of the following is used as a separator with print function? And the correct option is /t. Which of the following is true? Comments are for programmers for better understanding of the program. This is true. Python interpreter ignores comments. This is not true. You can write multi-line comments in Python using triple quotes either or. This is again true. All of these? No. All of these are not true. Next, which of the following symbol or symbols is or are used for comments in Python? So, this hashtag is used for symbols for comments in Python. Next, true or false? A variable can hold different types of values. True. Comments are the most helpful part of any program. This is again true. The print function allows you to take input from the user. This statement is false. The input function is used to display the data on the screen. This is again false. Next is evaluation time. Fill in the blanks. Python was created by Guido van Rossum in the year 1991. Options are given above. You have to choose the correct option. The two modes of writing Python code are interactive and script. The storage unit of data is called a variable. The default data type of input is string. A variable name can start with a underscore or letter. So these were the back exercises. Now we come to the question answers part. First is short answer type questions. What is the use of the input function? So the input function takes the user's input while a program executes. Next question is what is data type? A data type specifies the type of value a variable can contain. So since these are short answer type questions, so you have to write only 1 or 2 sentences. Write the names of any two separators which can be used with the print function. And the answer is I and /t. Next, long answer type questions. Differentiate between interactive and script mode with example. And the answer is interactive mode. Each code line is executed and output is seen on the next line. Interactive mode gives output line by line. It is mainly used to test the code for errors. On the other hand, script mode, it is used to write longer Python codes. It allows you to save the programs for later use. In this mode, Python does not automatically process and display the result. Next question, how can input data type be changed from string to float? And the answer is input data type can be changed from string to float by using the float function. This method only accepts one parameter. If we do not pass any argument, then the method returns 0.0. Clear? Next, explain the input function with an example. So, from here you can see the answer of this question. I have cut and paste the correct answer. Right? So that is all for this chapter. If you find the video useful, please like and share.